Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a family on Bigo Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Bigo Live on your mobile device. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now select the icon that reads Family. Now you can go ahead and tap on the Join button. Once the family founder adds you in their family, you will get the badge of that specific family on your profile. And that's it. This is how you join a family on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.